Well, we have been sitting here at the Custom MMIC booth at the International Microwave Symposium 2016 in San Francisco. This is the third day. I think we're all feeling like we've been drinking from a fire hose, but it's been a good fire hose, if I can say that.
Yeah, it was a good short week. That's what we're up to. So the new switches we're offering, which go up to 8-throw switches, work DC to 18 gig. A lot of what we heard from customers is having a good family goes all the way up to 8-throw as more and more of the complexity of the systems, phased arrays needing a lot of switching needed, or maybe doing an EW application where you need to switch in a bunch of different filter banks quickly, is where we see application for some of these switches.
So are these gallium arsenide, silicon?
Everything we do is gallium arsenide, gallium nitride. We don't do any CMOS, silicon germanium. We're a 3.5 company focused on that, fabless, and just finding where there's still value to that technology.
So I see certainly over the last number of years in the handset space, it's gone from gallium arsenide PHEMT switches to silicon, and we're starting to see that migrating into other areas. Is this for the switches that you're targeting, the applications? I assume that gallium arsenide really gives you the best performance at this point?
Yeah, and the applications we're focused on are not the handset realm. It's the military, aerospace, instrumentation, high performance market, and that's where the gallium arsenide is maintaining its value, because the silicon switches can achieve the requirements for the handset market now, the silicon can drive the cost down to where it needs to be for the handset market. We're more focused on where performance is required, and it's they try to meet what is reasonable cost goals, but it's not as driven as, of course, how many hundreds of millions units of handsets out there. So an additional switch we have started to sample gets our portfolio up to 40 gig. We were only up to 28 gigahertz before that. So the CMD215 is a 40 gigahertz single pole double throw switch.
Good to catch up on
thank you.
All the activity going on. Great.
Appreciate it. Appreciate the time.
Yeah, good. So can I take this?
Absolutely. You can take this one too if you'd like.
Super. Yeah. So thank you for
your
time.
Thank you.